Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel, Looney Tunes, and today we getting to work on the GS. Right now we're doing some daily maintenance, as you can see. Well, basically, it's not maintenance, this is some repairs I really have to do. I snapped the wheel stud, replacing the tire one day, so I'm finally getting that done. And on top of that, I'll be replacing the front driver's side caliper. That's going to be a pain in the ass. And then I got to find out how to re-bleed the caliper myself, because the system's already all digitized, like it's all computerized basically. So basically it is a whole different process from the manual way to bleed brakes. I seen one video. I'm gonna do some more research and make sure I'm doing the correct process, but you know, I ain't got no real experience in this. My first time doing it myself. So right now, basically I took out the old wheel stud that was snapped, took out the remainings of it, and now I bought some washers. I think they was, got these, I got these blue right here, 9/16 space washers. I set them over the new, installed the new wheel stud, put the washers over top of it, and I'm using an old lug nut, and I'm going to zap it on until it forces its way through, until it gets sit flush like the rest of the wheel studs. I really don't have no good before videos, but here's it is as it sits in there. You know, went through 2 washers just to get this done, but you know, getting the job done, man. Now on to the next job of replacing the wheel caliper. Oh yeah, once again, I forgot, this wheel stud is a M12 by 1.5. That's the correct specs on that. But now we're moving on to the brake caliper itself to be replaced. First, I already removed the 2 bolts that sit in and hold the caliper in, which are 2 17 mils. Took those out, and now I'm just moving on to taking this 12 mil banjo bolt that goes right here into the brake line. Going to remove that and replace with the new caliper, which is right here. You know, junkyard runs. Got a good deal for this. I spent like $30 just to get this right here, and it came with the fresh brake pads, so I might reuse them, but gotta see if I can get some new rotors, because as you can see, my old calipers were just seized and it ate my whole rear of the rotors. This is the front. It's a little rusty because my car been sitting for a while, because I'm just now getting to work on it, but the front's smooth, but you see the back, it was just going to work, I ain't gonna lie. Finished product. Got lower the coilovers, but you know, lower the coilovers next. But shit, I'm just happy to get it back on the road. all, folks. You know, feel free to like, comment, and subscribe. I'm open to constructive criticism, so I can just really grow this channel.